Welcome to the presentation on Insight Ops, where we convert raw data into trusted reports, fully managed by us. My name is Khavar Nehal, and I represent two companies. One is Applied Technology Research Center, and the other one is Remote Support LLC. The problem that a lot of our customers have is that they have the data, but they don't have the clarity or the reports to be able to make better decisions. A lot of businesses collect a lot of data, but generally it is messy, inconsistent, or locked up in different departments or silos. The off-the-shelf dashboards available these days do not really answer the questions that customers want answered. In some cases, AI is able to help by generating code, but even that needs to be managed by experienced people to be able to run it properly. So a lot of our customers want answers, not experiments related to technology. For example, they may have a year's worth of data and they want to know where they can save costs or improve their business. Basically, you send us your data and tell us your question, and we'll deliver the finished report. We provide a clear, accurate insights on time. All you get is a report. All you need to do is receive the report which is clear and accurate and on time. A little about us. We have experienced people with over 3 decades of experience in technologies like telecom, internet services, and enterprise softwares. They are useful for making sure that nothing gets stuck. We also hire young and agile data analysts. They are able to process different kinds of data with ease. AI is used to increase the speed of development of the code required to process the data. How Insight Ops works. You share your data in any kind of format. We standardize it so it gets processed smoothly. AI is used by the data analysts to create code that will process the data. After full processing, you end up with a finished report that has clear visuals, an executive summary, and actionable takeaways. In common AI reporting, you upload your data to the cloud, you have generic templates, output is code or charts, there is no human validation for the result, and it generally fails on messy data. In our system, the data can be on-premises in a specific geographical area or globally in servers on the internet. The reporting is designed according to KPIs and the questions that need to be answered. The output is a decision-ready report. The whole process is reviewed by experts to make sure that every piece of data is processed properly. Our system thrives on messy data because we have a process to clean it first. In short, we don't sell AI or technology. We sell answers to the questions that our customers want answered. Now we shall discuss how it can be used in different industries. We'll start with the aviation industry. We have an aviation MRO, and MRO is the acronym for Maintenance and Repair Organization. They are preparing for a compliance. They want to make sure that they are compliant before the audit is taken. They want to make sure that they are compliant before the audit happens. They have 14 months of data. They've got technicians' notes, which could be scanned papers. They've got training records, which could be spread out over different kinds of computer systems. Our work is to standardize all of the information, build and generate code which will provide the answers, for example, trend analysis for near misses, corrective actions and closure rates, and create a matrix for the training compliance. The end result to be delivered is an auditor-ready report. Now we move into the industry of information and communication technology. We have a managed service provider which has 12 months of ticketing information, and they want to identify which clients are using more of their support staff and providing less revenue as compared to the amount of effort they're using. Their objective is to balance the revenue according to the effort that the client is taking from them, and also balancing the loads on the different technicians. In the e-commerce industry, we have an e-commerce company which has shipping manifests, warehouse scan logs, and they have the reason for return for their orders. They want to reduce their shipping errors and reduce their returns. The objective of the report to be created is to find out the top 5 error patterns according to the stock keeping units and the cost impact for every kind of error. The outcome of having this kind of report, they can revise their standard operating procedures for packing and end up reducing the amount of mistakes they are having in their shipments. In the healthcare area, we have appointment logs, equipment maintenance records, supply orders, and the customer wants to optimize their medical device uptime and their staff scheduling. And the customer wants to optimize their medical device uptime and staff scheduling. The report should have the equipment failure frequency versus the usage of hours and a no-show trend analysis for the people that are working. The benefit of this report is that they can schedule preventive maintenance for their equipment and reduce the downtime of their equipment. In the field of education, we could have a customer with LMS activity records. LMS is the acronym for Learning Management System, lab computer usage information, information about IT help desk tickets. What they want to do is justify the tech budget for renewal to the board. The report will include device utilization rates, top student reported issues, and the cost per resolved ticket. The outcome of this report is they can increase the budget by 20% if they have a data bag proposal. Now we consider the case of manufacturing. The data can have sensor logs, production shift notes, downtime records. The idea is to find root causes of unplanned stoppages in manufacturing. The report shall correlate the temperature and vibration spikes and the downtime events. The advantage of this report is they can adjust the maintenance intervals and save a lot of money, which is usually lost in production stoppages. Similarly, we have the retail section. Similarly, we have the retail industry, a non-profit or NGO example, how it can be used in the legal and accounting areas, in the field of energy and utilities, Now we come to the kinds of service packages that are possible. One is a starter insight. It's like a one-time annual deep dive for $500. The growth operations, we could have quarterly reports with trend tracking for $200 a month for a 1-year contract. Or we can have elite reporting, and you can ask for a custom estimate according to your industry and your requirements. Or we can have elite reporting, which is tailor-made according to the customer and their industry. All of these packages include data standardization, code development, execution and processing, and delivery of the final reports. Basically, with our service, you don't have to clean or structure your data. We handle all of the processing, and the reports answer specific questions that you have, not just here's a chart. All of our work is personally reviewed by experts. Our email address is ict@remote-support.space. And you can visit our website, which is remote-support.space, to see a lot of other cool stuff that we have which can help you in your business. In this service, we handle the complexity so you get the clarity. Thank you for taking the time to see our presentation. We hope to hear from you soon so you can get the benefit of our useful services.